The Tecmojo 9-unit wall mount rack offers a sturdy open frame design that securely holds standard 19-inch network and audio-video gear while keeping everything easily accessible. Its cold-rolled steel construction and generous static load rating give confidence that heavier switches, patch panels, and small servers will stay firmly supported over time. The swing-out gate opens wide to allow comfortable access to the rear of your equipment, making cable dressing and future changes much less of a hassle. An 18-inch depth and flexible choice between square and threaded mounting holes make it straightforward to fit a wide range of rack mount devices without extra adapters. Ventilated open sides and front help equipment run cooler by allowing natural airflow, which is especially useful in tight network closets or media cabinets. Clear instructions, a drilling template, and included mounting hardware make installation approachable even for someone setting up a wall rack for the first time.